again, I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is my porch remodel, part 1, wood flooring, do's and don'ts. But first, like, subscribe, share. If you want to support me even more, there's a link in the description below with my PayPal. Alright, my porch remodel became a much bigger project than I expected, which, I mean, like, when doesn't that happen? So what I thought would be one layer of flooring to tear out became 2, and then became a whole slew of things that I'm pumped because it's super satisfying. It's gonna look great. And at this point, I've spent $4, I believe, on this whole thing. And that was for sandpaper. So this is time consuming and tiresome, but I mean, come on, it's right there. I spent $4 so far, and this porch is looking awesome. I'm pumped for it because it's been a big, weird, hot mess for the full 2 years that we've lived in this house. So, top flooring was some kind of weird, padded, plastic, fake wood bullshit that was laid like an idiot. It was laid end to end, like the opposite way that wood is ever installed, ever. But, you know, whatever. Side note, this is also the same way that my whole living room flooring is laid, which I know there is real hardwood underneath there, and I'm pumped someday to tear it all up. That's a much, much bigger project. Anyway, so there's this weird top floor that is all uneven and you can't pull a chair out on the porch floor. So I tore that out, which came up pretty easily, and then underneath was like, whoa, look, another whole layer of essentially the exact same flooring, except this was like water damaged or just all up. So it was all uneven, and that's why the top layer was all uneven, because I mean, you can't lay something on top of something that's uneven and then expect it to be level or better because you're laying it on top of something that's shit. So here's a do. Do lay flooring on level floor. Lay flooring on level floor. Okay, that. Do tear out the floor that you no longer want. Okay, just save someone some trouble. That's it. There may only be 2 do's here. Okay, don't lay more flooring on top of flooring. Don't leave water damaged, disgusting smelling flooring for someone else to find and be disgusted by. This second layer of flooring here smelled like cat pee, and I don't know why. Probably from cats. So got rid of all of that, and then underneath is I'm assuming, original hardwood floor to this porch. I don't know if this porch is as old as the rest of my house, which is about 120 years old. It doesn't look maybe that old, but I'm not sure. So there has been carpet in this porch, as well as the multiple layers of wood on top. Do tear out wood floor. Don't lay more shitty floor on top of that. I just feel like that should be obvious, but whatever. So anyway, what else we got here? Yeah, there's some kind of weird adhesive. That's what this black stuff is, and I don't know what it is. Maybe from the carpet? I don't know. If you have guesses, leave me a comment, because that's what I'm thinking, but I'm just really not sure. And then underneath that, the wood was painted at some point, like at least twice. So that's cool. Yeah, that might be it for do's and don'ts of sanding. Oh no, we didn't even get there. This is do's and don'ts of laying wood floor. Oh, also, don't lay wood floor end to end. You gotta stagger that okay? You gotta stagger it. Okay, otherwise you get weird seams where then it's just all weird and uneven, and it's just a mess. So don't do that, okay? Don't lay some kind of moisture barrier upside down. I think that's all I should need to say about that. Don't use some kind of weird adhesive that bubbles up between each board and makes it look disgusting. I don't even know what this is. And a final don't cover up hardwood floors. I mean, this one was but like not all of them are. People cover that with carpet and linoleum. Don't do that. Love your wood floors. They're beautiful and amazing and natural, and they have so much character. All right, well, yeah, this became not sanding, but really just wood floor do's and don'ts. So I gotta go back and change the title. that is gonna do it for these wood floor do's and don'ts. There's lots of don'ts. All right, we will have more porch remodel parts coming out, but like, subscribe, leave me a comment about weird, dumb wood flooring issues you found in your house. I have new videos every Friday, and thanks for watching.